Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and phone readiness. If your E-Class has CarPlay wiring or a retrofit module, plug a certified Lightning to USB cable into the car's USB port. Make sure Siri is enabled on your iPhone and the phone is unlocked. CarPlay requires an active Siri. Once done, turn the ignition to ACC or on and open the Common System's phone or multimedia menu. You're now ready to select the USB input and begin the pairing process on both devices. Now you perform the middle steps to establish CarPlay. On the Common screen, select the USB or phone source and look for Apple CarPlay or your iPhone name. Press it to initiate. On your iPhone, you'll see a pairing and CarPlay permission prompt. Tap Allow and follow any on-screen requests. Make sure CarPlay is allowed while locked in Settings General CarPlay if the option appears. This sequence links Command and iPhone so the CarPlay interface can load. Finish by verifying functionality and knowing a quick fix. Once CarPlay appears on the Command display, open Maps, Phone, and Music to confirm audio and touch responsiveness. If something does not work, first try a known good Apple Lightning cable and reconnect. Non-certified cables often fail. If problems persist, reboot your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth off then on, and perform a soft reset of Command via the vehicle settings. One reliable troubleshooting tip is restarting both devices before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.